Hey guys, my friend. What? What? What this? We're in the section, but it isn't supposed to be like this. Okay, Hudson, come on. I got it. No? Look! Oh my gosh. Get rid of it, okay?
Just leave those now, guys.
No. Go downstairs. Just go downstairs. Sellers! Come on! Come on, Sellers! Come on! She doesn't see me. You want to see the thing? What thing? That's yours? What's the MVP medal they give me?
All-Star Game 2023 MVP.
Seven through 8. What? Division.
Why can't I say it?
Because I don't know if they can, like, kidnap me or something.
Kidnap the trophy? No.
Okay. What should we make as a video?
What?
What should we make as a video?
I thought we already played this.
I got it.
What?
Shut the door.
Hey, trying to not get caught. What?
We're gonna make cars honk. No. 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 No, Hudson. Let's make a paper and say honk. Honk it if you have YouTube.
Guess how much subscribers my dad has?
2,000.
No. 26,000.
On what? His own YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Like his, who made it?
Well, his bands.
So it's it's not his.
Well, it's his. Well, it's, I don't know. Once he, in total, he has 10 million subscribers.
Who does?
My dad. He should get $10,000, right? Right?
He has 10 million subscribers.
Yeah. No, 10 mi. That's the gold play button. Or diamond, I don't know. What's the best play button? Diamond?
Pretty sure. It goes silver, gold, diamond.
What if I do next one? Like obsidian.
That would have been super cool.
Well, how do you, how many subscribers do you get to get the diamond?
10 mil. The best YouTube channel? No.
Close.
Mr. Beast has 151 mil, I think.
Best YouTube channel is close to 1 billion.
So let's hold on.
So if 2 people, if 2 more billion on him, it'll be 1/4 of the world. 1/4 of the whole earth.
There's 8 million people. There's 8
Billion?
Yeah, 8 billion people. And he does not have that much.
He's close to 1 billion. That's it.
That's not that. No, he does not have that much.
I said close.
But he still does not have that much.
He's like 900 million.
He does not have that.
Fine. 998 million.
Alright. Honk. I get that.
Or
How do you do it so they can see it? Honk. You film.
wow, I'm a bad performer. Like, look, I'm doing this right now. And I don't even know how.
There's so many basically.
I did not show anyone's license plate or number. Okay, I'll show. If I won't show anyone, only everyone. No. Okay, bye. If one person honks, I'll give you one of these.
Okay?
Okay. The first
What?
person that honks, Hudson will give a veto.
Yeah, which is
Probably not going to happen. What are you doing? Trying to keep the yeah.
for you. Now, all you do is just give away the V. Yeah, to a random person. Okay? How do you give these to people in the channel? You could use the app thing. You can maybe like use that app thing. Make your own app. It's gonna be like Amazon, but your custom profile. Or like make a website. I don't know how they do that. Like Fire Merch used to do. Like Fire Merch. You have to make a website because I don't think a custom website. And Unspeakables. Oh, have not been to Hudson, hold the sign up. Hold the sign up. I can meet Unspeakable so I can meet Preston. I can't believe that guy gave you it. Gave me what? You see those? No, I can't believe the guy did a honk. First person. I actually don't know. Okay, Hudson, I feel bad for you. Now you have to give a V. No, 2 honks. You have to give away the V, okay? So, you have to hold it up loyal. Just hold it up. Just hold it up high. Hold it up high. No, not that. Like, just stand up and do it. Yeah, like this. This is good. Yeah. Should we tell that lady to honk? Yeah, like this. Honk. She could do like. She can do this. No one's going, oh, again, he's super, honk, 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 honk. Really honk? Yeah. He honks so well. That's so funny. Same person. Same person still honked. Okay, come. I don't. You do it. Crazy. You quick. You film. I will. This is the dumbest thing I've ever done. How? We only got $1. Wait, why does it have to be a VLR? 2 V's. Wait, but does it have to be a VLR? Oh. Okay, I'm gonna give it. Okay, I'm gonna give away my worst V, which is like 50 cents. No, 49. Okay, and one more V. No? You said 2 people honked. Every honk. No, every 2 honks I'll give away 1 V. 15 V's each? 2 honks? No way. Yeah, I mean, no way. 1 honk. No. Okay, 1 honk per nothing. That's it. Okay, good. Okay, but it's pretty blurry. Okay. So, like, when they pass, I'll just do this. Okay?
again. That would be so nice. Whoever that dude, I want to be friends with him. Yeah. He's so nice. He's the first person. And first car. And he honked. First and third.
First and second.
There we go. Look at that, Person.
Yeah, she could honk.
Honk. Yell honk. I dare you.
What?
I dare you to yell honk.
Hudson, in the video.
Honk!
Why? Bye, guys.
Why?
Because why? It's been on for too long.
It is? Okay. Guys, part 2.
Mm.